I'm David from DB Chartered Accountants. Before I start today's blog, there's some important updates that I need to make you aware of. There are issues relating to contract law with regard to making changes to employment contracts, even despite such crazy times as we're in now. For this reason, a lot of the updates we are receiving are giving warnings about taking specialist HR advice. We are accountants. We're not experts in HR issues, but we work in conjunction with an organisation called 2020 Innovation, and they've provided us with a commentary from a firm of lawyers. We've added this to the files area on DB Connect for all our clients to access. If you're not a client, we've also put links on the coronavirus resource area of our website. There's no signing involved on this, we're just providing it freely to help you, so just use the link and download the information. It's evident as time goes by that there's going to be more information provided that could supersede what has been said on our video blogs previously. Thus, at the start of each video blog, if there is something new, we'll let you know. For this reason, it's good that you watch at least the start of each video blog to see if there is any changes to be aware of. You can always bail out at that point if the rest of the video blog is not of any interest to you. So we start. Help for the self-employed. The Chancellor, Rishi Sunak, has announced measures to support the self-employed and partnerships, and the scheme is called the Coronavirus Self-Employment Income Support Scheme. This scheme poses a stark reality for the self-employed. They either fall within it and will benefit from it, or they failed the criteria and hence need to apply for universal credit. So let's have a look at what the scheme is. If you've suffered a loss of income, a taxable grant will be paid to the self-employed or partnerships worth 80% of the profits up to a cap of £2,500 per month. This is a similar requirement to what's been done for employees. Initially, this will be available for 3 months in one lump sum, and payments will start to be paid at the beginning of June. So everybody's got a financing issue between now and June. Now they stress that you can't apply for this scheme. HMRC will contact you if you're eligible for the scheme and invite you to apply online. And government advice is that you don't contact the HMRC now, as doing so would delay the work undertaking the introduction of this scheme. So, who's eligible? Self-employed individuals and those who are members of a partnership. In addition, those eligible must have half their income from self-employment, and they must have submitted an income tax self-assessment tax return for the tax year 2018-19. They must also be trading in the current tax year 2019-20 and are trading when you apply, or would be except for the effects of COVID-19. And you intend to continue to trade in the tax year 2021 and have lost trading or partnership income due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Your self-employed trading profits must also be less than £50,000 and more than half your income. This seems a little bit harsh. If someone's got income above £50,000, they're not eligible for this scheme. Now this is determined by at least one of the following conditions being true. Having got trading profits or partnership trading profits in 2018-19, these are less than £50,000, and these profits constitute more than half your total income. Or having average trading profits in the year 2016-17, 17-18 and 18-19 less than £50,000, and those profits constitute more than half your average total income in the same period. If you started trading between 2016 and 5th of April 2019, HMRC will only use those years for which you filed a self-assessment tax return. So people who have not been doing what they're supposed to do and submitting self-assessment tax returns will fall outside of this scheme. The Inland Revenue say that there are still some individuals who haven't submitted the tax return to 2019 and they've got until the 23rd of April to do so to enable them to qualify for this scheme. So how much can you get under this scheme? You'll get a grant which is taxable. That will be 80% of your average profits for the tax years where they are applicable for 2016-17, 2017-18 and 2018-19. HMRC will add these together to find the total trading profits for the 3 years, assuming that there are 3 years, and use this to work out a monthly amount. The grant will be a maximum of $2,500 per month for 3 months. The resulting amount, they say, will be paid directly into your bank account. Again, let's re-emphasise that the Inland Revenue has stated that you don't have to apply for this scheme. They'll contact you if you're eligible and invite you to apply online. That's a little bit frustrating because everyone wants to feel as if they're doing something in order to improve the situation, but I'm afraid you're going to have to sit and wait this one out. The Inland Revenue have also pointed out that these measures are in addition to the deferral of self-assessment payments and VAT payments. Please see our video on the deferment of tax payments which we did earlier in the week. Some will get grants if they pay little or no business rates. Again, look at the last video blog that we've just done on this topic. They say if you've got financial difficulties, you can also apply for a business interruption loan scheme. And again, we've done a blog on this for you to have a look at. They've indicated that directors who have their own company and are paid through PAYE should look for assistance from the Job Retention Scheme. We've done a blog on this. This is going to be a little bit unfair on the people that have tax efficiently taken out a minimum salary and dividends. They'll get 80% of the salary, but they won't get anything with regard to dividends. And this to me seems very unfair. They're being penalised because they're not taking salary. In the absence of any of these measures, then you've got to apply for universal credit. And I believe that this is means tested. So if you've got assets in excess of £16,000, then you won't be able to claim. However, in this situation, you've got no alternative but to put a claim in online. They're inundated with claims, but they say that they're getting better and they can get the claims done and, if necessary, give you an advance. So please, if you don't fall within the scheme for the self-employed, apply for universal credit now. This is the end of this video blog. Thank you very much for watching. As I say always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get advance notice of the next video that we do. And take care and keep well. Bye for now.